it's fun swinging. It's super cold. It's raining outside. Even though it's cold, I like the puddles. I like playing in them a lot. This cow is still sleeping? That's weird. How can it sleep even if it rains? Mr. Cow, go under the tree. Alright, that's alright, Mr. Cow. And he is eating some grass. Now, where are my pets? My cow and my horse? They're still playing even if it's raining. Little guys, I'm going to remove your little saddle. It's raining. You should not be doing that. Just remove your stuff. I'll put it here. Now, guys, I think you should go back to the stable. I'm trying to throw this. Hard. Oof. Alright, little guys, you have to go back. Oh. You guys are so cute when you're playing with each other. I can't believe they even play when it rains. Maybe they like playing in the rain. Maybe I'll let them play. But when it's night, I think I'll put my horse back to the stable. I think the little cow's family is here. Where's the cow going? And my horse is going as well. Weird. I think they're just going to drink some water. Okay. Let's drink some water. Oh, I guess they're just drinking water. Now what are they doing? I don't know. I hear hay bales moving. What could they have done? Oh, I found my hat. And they're playing in the hay bales. Oh, they look so cute. Playing with each other with the hay bales. Oh, the cow is happy. The horse is also happy. They're playing together. They're rolling their hay bales around. Oh, it's night. I think it's time for you guys to go back. The cow should stay here. It's his home. Come on, Mr. Horse. Mr. Cow wants to go, but this is your home, remember? Come on. You have to go back to the stable. Let's go inside. We don't want it to rain. Come on, little guy. Go back in here. Oh, you want your cow friend? Fine. I'll try to bring him. Let me go. Alright, I'll ask the cow if he wants to come or stay in his home. The little pasture park. Hey, Mr. Cow, you want to go? Mr. Cow, do you want to go? Oh, he doesn't want to. He says to play in the morning. Alright. Then, I guess he can't come. I'll say that to my horse. I hope he isn't sad. Mr. Horseeey, you want to play? Your friend's going to stay in his home, but you guys can play tomorrow, alright? Oh, don't be angry. You guys can play tomorrow, alright? You can play the next day. After the rain stopped